This is the silver dial, Perpetual Datejust 31. Gorgeous. Hello, my name is Ray. I am doing an intake video for the Rolex 2026 Oyster Perpetual Datejust silver dial Oyster bracelet 278240. And we have our outer casing here. We're gonna go ahead and put that there. We have our beautiful Rolex case. All right. We're gonna open it up now. And we have our inner casing. Just want to show you guys this. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna pull this out a bit. We're gonna, there we go. This is a 31mm Oystersteel case with the Oystersteel bracelet as well. This is the silver dial, Perpetual Datejust 31. Gorgeous. All right, let's do a pillow roll. We're going to start from this way. We have the brushed steel and then the polished steel. Classic. We're going to keep going. Got a little dust here. And then we have the beautiful face. Gorgeous. And there we go. Let's go ahead and count how many links we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think this would be considered 6, right? Oh no, 5. Yeah, okay. All right, and then on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. All right, let's do the bezel. So we have the bottom left, right, looks good. Top right, top, looks really good. Top left, and then we have our crown case. And then bottom right, bottom, looks really, really good here. So now I'm going to take it off of here so we can see the clasp. All right, so we have this. Gorgeous. I'm going to put it back there. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and check out the functions on here. So this is going to be a screw down case. All right, so we're going to unscrew it here. Just like that. And now it pops out. There we go. All right, and we're going to wind it up a bit. There we go. All right, and now we are going to pull it all the way out. It's you pull 1, 2. I think it was just 2. Yep, 2. Okay. Cool. So now we're going to go around the clock, and we're going to make sure that we can. Each time it goes up on the crown. There we go. We can see it going through. We want to see that date change as well, so we're gonna go all the way through. There we go, that date change right there. All right, so now we're gonna set the time to 6:30 so we can go through the calendar dates. That's 6:30 is always gonna be the best time. to put the time on to change anything with the watch, making sure that, you know, it doesn't mess up anything else. So you're gonna push it all the way in and we're gonna pull it out once. All right, and now we're gonna run through. If we go down, you're gonna see we're running through all the dates there. So let's make sure that everything looks good. This is, yeah, 31. We're gonna go back to 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. There we go. Okay. Beautiful. Look at the face on that too. A Sunburst silver dial is really gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. All right. And then there is, I'm gonna screw that back in. Let's see the lume on this. Yep. All right. So we're gonna turn the lights off. I want to see that lume. We're gonna see it on the sticks except for the 12. And we're gonna see it on the hour and the minutes hand, as you can see there. Gorgeous. Just putting a little bit more light on there to see if you can see a little bit more. There we go. Gorgeous. I'm just gonna show you guys what we have here. We have the full case, full boxing. We have our manual, our warranty, booklet, white tags, and certifications. All right. Looks like we have a beautiful, beautiful watch. It looks good. Thank you for tuning in. We're gonna pack her back up. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it.